all sooky now. Y'all already know what it is. It's your boy Big Mucci, baby. And yo, I'm here with another step-by-step instructional line dance for you, right? This line dance I'm about to show y'all is called Do It for the Sipp. I had to represent for the whole state of Mississippi because Mississippi been showing me so much love. You know I had to show the Sipp love back. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show y'all how it go, and then we're going to do it. Check this out. First thing you're going to do is you're going to step to your right, step shuffle. Then you're going to step to your left, step shuffle, and then you're going to step it to the front, step shuffle. Let me show y'all how I go. With your right foot, first thing, step, shuffle, 1, 2, 3, step, shuffle, 1, 2, 3, step, shuffle, 1, 2, 3. See how easy that was? Let's do it one more time. With your right foot, step, 1, 2, 3, step, 1, 2, 3, step, 1, 2, 3. Easy. Now the next thing you're going to do is called slide it on back, slide it on back. So once you go up with the 1, 1, 2, 3 with your left foot, you're going to slide it on back, slide it on back. Easy. Let's do it. Step, 1, 2, 3, step, 1, 2, 3, step, 1, 2, 3, slide it on back, slide it on back. See how easy that was? Now the next thing we're going to do is a dance called the Shamrock. Right now I'm down here in Grenada, Mississippi. I had to do it on their soil, but I'm going to show you all a dance we do up here where I'm from in Cleveland. It's called the Shamrock. I'm going to turn sideways. With your right foot, you're going to step forward and you rock down and you bring it back up. So it's like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Easy. That's the Shamrock. I'm going to show y'all from the front. So when y'all hear somebody say Shamrock, y'all know what to do. So we're going to do that when we bring it back. Here we go. Step, 1, 2, 3, step, 1, 2, 3, up, 1, 2, 3, slide it on back, slide it on back. Now Shamrock with it. Shamrock with it. Bam. We almost done. Next part is going to be step to your right, step to your left, turn your body to the left. So once you come back from the Shamrock, 1, 5, 6, 7, 8, step it out right, step it out left, turn your body to the left. Bam. That's the whole dance. Let's do it one more time. From the Shamrock. Shamrock with it, Shamrock with it, Shamrock with it, Shamrock with it. Step it out right, step it out left, turn your body to the left. Bam. All right, let's do it one more time without the music. Here we go. Step, 1, 2, 3, step, 1, 2, 3, step, 1, 2, 3, slide it on back, slide it on back. Now Shamrock with it. Shamrock with it. Step it out right, step it out left, turn your body to the left. Again. Left, front. Slide it on back, slide it on back. Shamrock. Step it out right, step it out left, turn your body to the left. Bam. That's it. Do it for the Sipp. Big Mucci, baby. Y'all already know what it is. Let's go. Man, we do it for the Sipp. Hop back, crooked letter I. Man, we do it for the Sipp.